goals in my career as a scientist is not only to perform research at the highest level possible, not only to perform as an instructor to undergraduates and graduates, or anybody else who will listen to me talk, also to work with minority students. My goal is to increase the number of minority students, and by doing that, I hope to help build a pipeline from maybe our reservation communities up into major universities such as KU. Increasing the number of minorities and scientists is advantageous to the entire field of science because it brings in new perspectives on the things we are studying. I think it's often overlooked, and even by ourselves as Native people, that our perspectives on biological processes and the natural world are very unique. We have a very unique way of looking at life and the processes of life. And by combining our viewpoints, our perspectives with traditional science viewpoints and perspectives, we are expanding that realm of possibility of scientific discovery, of advancing our biological knowledge. So once I get my papers published from the pharmaceutical chemistry department, I will be seeking faculty positions. And actually, I'm on the market now. I'm actively looking. And what I would really like is to have a faculty position at an institution such as KU, who has a partnership with an institution such as Haskell Indian Nations University. I really want to work not only in the research field, not only teaching undergraduates and graduate students, but I also want to foster the underrepresented people's populations in the sciences. I think I can do some pretty good work in increasing those numbers, particularly with the American Indian communities, since that is my background. I am particularly interested in that. I think that Haskell and KU have a very strong relationship. However, there are ways that we can strengthen that relationship even more. I think being more exposed to the Haskell students, as a professor from KU, if I were more exposed to Haskell students, then that would sort of break whatever barriers may be in place between Haskell and KU. I think from the perspective of a student at Haskell, in many ways, KU may still seem as a big, large, intimidating institution. And so things that we can do to break down those barriers will go a long way.